Good afternoon, babies, and welcome back to my channel, What's Cooking Mama. Today, I'll be making garlic, butter, herbs, baked salmon over pasta. Okay? I have my salmon here that I washed it with lemon, and I dried it off, and I'm going to pour some butter over it. And I'm going to season it with some Creole seasoning. A little bit of black pepper. Some basil. Some oregano, and some garlic, and I already preheated my oven to 375 degrees. And the bell already rang on my oven, so it's ready. And I'm going to cover this salmon and put it in the oven. As you can see too, my water is boiling for my pasta. So I'm going to start my pasta, and I'll be right back when my salmon is done and my pasta is done. And I'm going to put the dish together. Now, I put it on 375, the oven and you can bake it for covered at least 10 to 12 minutes. Or you bake it to your desired doneness, but I like my salmon to be fully cooked. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cover it. And I'll come back and show you the finished result. I'll be right back. Okay, babies, I'm back, and my linguine just got finished. My pasta just got finished boiling. I'm draining it. I'm going to make the sauce for the linguine now. Put the garlic in there. Put all the seasonings that I had in the other one. On the salmon. Putting everything in there. Oregano. Basil. I already put the Tony Satchel Creole seasoning, a little bit of onion powder, and some black pepper, of course. I'm gonna put the hot linguine in there. Oh Lord, I made a mess. Sorry, guys. I'm just gonna push it around. And this butter sauce. I melted the butter already in here. Let me get some Parmesan cheese out. And that's it. We're going to wait for the pasta. I'll be right back and I'm going to plate it. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, babies, I'm back. And this is the salmon out of the oven. I forgot to tell y'all, I took off the cover and let it stay in the oven on high broil for I think 3 to 4 minutes so I could get a nice little brown on top. So I'm gonna plate it now. Okay. Okay. Let's take some pasta. Take a piece of salmon. Oh, it's hot. And this is the, let me clean off my plate. And this is the finished result. My butter, garlic, herb, salmon over linguine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go check out my daughter's channel, Kaya Monet. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.